Well, what we're doing now is we're going to lean even further sort of into the future, if you will, which this is all about new ways to interact with your work, which, again, it's a little further out there. Please welcome, everybody, Yaniv de Ritter with Project Waltz. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hey. Intense.
So I'm currently working on this motion piece, and I would like to convey a few camera movements to my collaborators. So I would like to quickly frame a few camera shots and try various ideas that I have in my mind. But manipulating a 3D camera on a 2D surface is not very natural. Not only to navigate with my mouse, I need to switch between different tools, such as the orbit or the panning, but also to create camera motions, I will have to bring a timeline, create keyframes, and that takes a lot of work, actually, and actually interrupt my creative process. So I'm looking for something more expressive. What if I was able to pair my phone to my desktop tool? I would actually control the virtual camera of my scene with my phone. So let me show you. OK. So right now, as you can see, I am the cameraman. I'm literally holding the virtual camera in my hand. And what I see on my phone is what the virtual camera is seeing. It's a window to the virtual world. And I have full freedom of movement as well. I can move around, look around. But right now, you can barely see me moving. And that's because the scene is really, really big. So I'm going to scale myself up. And now I can easily move around. I'm a giant in this scene. And so the first thing I'm going to do is look for some interesting frames. And I was thinking about something maybe like an overview, like that. I just captured that frame. And maybe something from the front, something a little bit more like a close-up like that. So we can review those two frames now. So we have the overview, and we have the front. And the first thing I kind of want to do now is kind of animating between those two camera points. And I can do that very easily. So I can go from the overview to the front, back to the back. Something I would want to do as well is being able to capture more like handheld type of motions, more complex motions. And so as I was saying earlier, I am the cameraman, which means that I can perform all the movements I want and explore various ideas that I have. And what I'm going to do now is practice a few times this move, and as soon as I'm ready, I'm going to capture it. So I'm recording right now. Here we go. So let's review this. There we go. So that looks pretty good to me. Something else I can do as well, what I was thinking is like going in the cockpit and pretending that I'm flying this right now. And there is a lot of turbulence. Right. OK, so let's review this now. Well, there's actually a lot of turbulence. I'm going to smooth the motion a little bit. There we go, way better. And I'm just going to go over the different motions I just captured. So we have the overview, the front, from the front on the side, and from the side to the cockpit. So as you see, I was able to quickly put together a bunch of motions, which I can share now to my collaborators. That's it.
Cool.